Let's try this problem using u substitution. The integral of e raised to negative x dx. Let u negative x. Now get the derivative of u with respect to x du negative 1 dx, or simply du is equal to negative dx. We can transpose this. Negative dx is equal to negative du. Now substitute everything into the integral. The integral of e raised to u negative du. We can take this sign outside of the integral. Negative the integral of e raised to u du. Let's integrate this. Negative e raised to u plus c. Substitute u negative e raised to negative x plus c.